Welcome back everyone to Make Earth Green again. Today we have a unique solution for a problem that we all encounter more often than we'd like to admit, dealing with old, non-working batteries. How many times have you had to shell out your hard-earned cash for a new battery only to be left with the headache of figuring out how to dispose of the old one? Not to mention, each time we do this, we're contributing to the mounting problem of electronic waste, which is not only a financial burden but a significant environmental concern as well. Imagine if there was a way to breathe new life into your old batteries to make them work as if they were brand new. Wouldn't that be a game changer? Well, hold on to that thought, because what if I told you that you could recondition your old batteries and make them work like new again? Introducing EZ Battery Reconditioning, a guide that can change the way you handle your old batteries. This comprehensive guide is a game changer, offering a fresh take on battery management. It's not just about discarding old batteries and buying new ones anymore, it's about breathing new life into what you already have. EZ Battery Reconditioning is a step-by-step manual that teaches you how to recondition all kinds of batteries. Be it the one powering your car, laptop, phone, or even a simple AA battery you use for your TV remote. It's a complete package, providing solutions for a wide range of batteries you use on a daily basis. But how does it work? It's simple. The guide provides easy-to-follow instructions with detailed illustrations and diagrams. It's like a cookbook, but for batteries. Each battery type has its own recipe, and the guide walks you through the entire process, making sure you can follow along even if you're not technically inclined. One of the best aspects of EZ Battery Reconditioning is its inclusivity. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned technician or a complete novice, the guide is designed to be user-friendly for everyone. It's written in plain language, avoiding technical jargon that might confuse beginners, making sure that anyone can recondition their old batteries and save money in the process. Moreover, the types of batteries it can help recondition are extensive. From car batteries, which can be quite pricey to replace, to laptop batteries, which tend to have a shorter lifespan, to phone batteries, which we change quite frequently, EZ Battery Reconditioning has got you covered. It even includes solutions for smaller batteries like those found in cameras or toys. And the best part? EZ Battery Reconditioning is optimized for mobile devices. This means you can carry this guide with you wherever you go, ensuring that you're never caught off guard when a battery dies. It's like having a battery expert in your pocket. EZ Battery Reconditioning is a mobile-friendly guide, ensuring you can use it wherever you are. It's a one-stop solution for all your battery troubles and a great tool to have in your arsenal. You might be wondering, why should I use EZ Battery Reconditioning? Well, let's delve into the numerous benefits of this innovative guide. First off, EZ Battery Reconditioning is a real money saver. Think about all those times you've had to replace your car battery, laptop battery, or even the small batteries in your remote controls. These costs can add up over time, sometimes running into hundreds of dollars per year. But with EZ Battery Reconditioning, you can rejuvenate your old batteries and make them work as though they were brand new. This can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. But it's not just about saving money, it's also about contributing positively to the environment. Every year, billions of batteries are disposed of worldwide, contributing significantly to environmental pollution. But by reconditioning and reusing your old batteries, you're playing your part in reducing this waste. It's a simple action, but it can have a significant impact on the health of our planet. Perhaps one of the most appealing aspects of EZ Battery Reconditioning is its simplicity. You don't need any technical skills or special tools to bring your old batteries back to life. The guide provides easy-to-follow instructions that anyone can use. So, whether you're a tech whiz or a complete novice, you can start reconditioning your old batteries in no time. The guide is also optimized for mobile devices, making it easily accessible wherever you are. So whether you're at home, in the garage, or on the go, you can access the guide and start reconditioning your batteries. EZ Battery Reconditioning is not just a guide, it's a tool for saving money, preserving the environment, and learning a valuable new skill. And the best part is, all you need to get started is the guide and some basic supplies you probably already have around your house. In conclusion, EZ Battery Reconditioning is a practical, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly solution for dealing with old batteries. All you need is the guide and some basic supplies to start reconditioning your old batteries. But don't just take my word for it, listen to these testimonials. First up, we have Jane from Texas, who says, "I was skeptical at first, but after trying EZ Battery Reconditioning, I'm a believer. I've saved so much money on batteries, and I feel good knowing that I'm doing my part to help the environment." Next, there's Mike from Florida, who shares, EZ Battery Reconditioning is a game changer. I never realized how easy it was to recondition old batteries. Now I can do it myself and save a bundle. Then we have Lisa from California, who has been using EZ Battery Reconditioning for a few months now. She shares, "I'm amazed at how well it works. I've reconditioned all kinds of batteries, and they all work like new again." And it's not just individuals who are raving about this. Small businesses are also finding value in EZ Battery Reconditioning. Sam, who runs a small electronics repair shop in New York, says, "This guide has not only saved me money, but it's also increased my profits. I can now offer a battery reconditioning service to my customers, and they love it." There's also Emma, a school teacher from Washington, who shares, "I've introduced EZ Battery Reconditioning in our school's environmental club. The students are learning a valuable skill, and we're saving the school money on battery costs. Plus, it's a great way to teach them about environmental responsibility." And let's not forget about Jim, a retiree from Illinois who says, "I've found a new hobby with EZ Battery Reconditioning. It keeps me busy, and I've even made a little extra cash by reconditioning batteries for my neighbors." From Texas to Illinois, from individuals to small businesses, the praise for EZ Battery Reconditioning is universal. It's saving people money, it's helping the environment, and it's surprisingly easy to do. These are just a few of the many people who've benefited from EZ Battery Reconditioning. So, if you're tired of spending money on new batteries and want to do your part to help the environment, it's time to take action. Why not give EZ Battery Reconditioning a shot? It's a simple, step-by-step guide that can save you hundreds of dollars and reduce your environmental footprint all at once. And remember, it's not just about the savings, it's about contributing to a greener Earth and making a difference. Right now, there's an amazing opportunity for you. EZ Battery Reconditioning is available at an incredible discount of 80% off. Yes, you heard it right, 80% off. But it's for a limited time only, so don't wait. The link to this life and budget saving guide is in the comments below. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a greener, more sustainable future while saving money? Thanks for watching, and remember, we can all play a part in making Earth green again.